Hey traders, hope you're doing well. So let's quickly jump on to our analysis today with the natural gas, gold, silver, and crude oil today. So before I start analysis, let me quickly show you in case you're wondering why I asked you to take your profit earlier. It's not basically it's not taking early profit. Take profit has been hit. Basically, what happened is once you take a pullback trade, the targets for the pullback trade are different. And as you have seen in my email, that this is one of my optimized pair for pullback strategy, and we got a pullback entry here, and we also got an entry on the major level of zones. So targets for both entries are different. That is why I had two targets here, right here for the pullback strategy. Here there's a smaller target, and here the targets for the zones right here. So whatever hit first, I exit my trade. Basically the target with the pullback strategy has been hit first. That is why I ask you to exit your trade. Like I said, in a single video and a single email, I can't explain every single thing, all the stops and target for different strategies you're going to learn in my upcoming course. I know it's been quite a while, but I wanted to give you a best course as possible. That is why I'm in a meeting with my web developer every single day. And I'm really hoping that by the end of this month, my website will be ready. I'm going to launch it and I'm going to share with you very shortly. So let's start our analysis first with natural gas. So let me show you what I've said in my previous video so that you can able to understand the entries and the way we enter the trades. Now, you can expect a push down here if we get a bearish engulfing candle. So this is the zone from where you can expect a bearish opportunity to enter your trades. Here, if you get one, we can still get a double top move as well. So okay, awesome. So as you know, I take entries on 1 hour and 4 hour time frame, and I've already informed one of my priority member that we got an entry right here. This is not a double top, but this is an engulfing pattern. But I'm sure you have noticed a nice double top pattern, the valid double top pattern on 1 hour time frame. And looking at that, the target has been hit right here. And what to expect now? What happened is, normally what happens after the formation of a double top, we have a neckline right here. So we got a neckline, and looking at that, we already got a retest, but we did not get any sort of engulfing candle yet. But we might see a bearish pressure here at this point as a pin bar or an engulfing candle. Very next candle can be an engulfing candle, which could be another sign that the market is likely to push back down. Now, as you can see, the 50 EMA is support here. If we have a break and close below 50 EMA, then I'm expecting a very good fall out of natural gas. Per my yesterday's video, as you know that these zones are the zones I always pay attention to take my trades, and these are the decision zone. And if you get a good reason to enter something like this, only then I enter the trade, as this was a minor zone, and I've already shown yesterday that this zone has reacted positively for the bearish side in a past. If you want to check the full analysis, you can click on the link right up there. So looking at that, if you look back on 4 hour time frame now, this is also one of the entry pattern, the bearish engulfing entry pattern. So one, if I see a good bearish engulfing entry pattern and that candle is a really big candle like this, I normally enter at the 50% retracement. As you can see, that would be your entry right here, and the target would be 180R or 1.618 retracement. So at this point, we are still in a bearish pressure. Now we are also getting this 25% candle, or it might become a 382 candle. And now if we have a good break and close below 20 EMA, then we have a very likely chances that market will fall from here. As you can see, the market has reacted on 4 hour time frame, and on 4 hour time frame we do have a double top pattern as well. So that is why that looks a clear bearish pressure right here. If you remember this trend line, if we have a push down, break and close below 20 EMA, then this is the trend line I'm expecting a market to hit, as this is also aligning nicely with 50 EMA, from where we can expect another push up. I will only look for buy trades once we are above 7.511. Otherwise, I'm not looking for any buy trade at this point. Once we are break and close above, we will look for buying entries. Right here, as per my previous video here on Wanda, I've said that if the market is above this zone, that doesn't mean that the market is completely bullish, because we might see another candle that can close below that zone, and that happened exactly as I mentioned yesterday. Looking at that, this is also a bearish pattern. Even if you look at 1 hour time frame, we have this double top pattern, and market has fallen down. And if you have entered using my trading system, your target would have been hit here. The first target would have been hit here easily. And on 4-hour time frame, you still have this pattern valid, and I still see a bearish pressure, sorry. And if we have a break and close below 20 EMA, then we have a likely chances that we can hit this trend line right here, 6.849, from where I will expect a push up again. Let's check gold. Okay, right here, awesome. As per my yesterday's video, I said that I'm still expecting market to push up after a retest of this neckline of this double bottom pattern. That happens, as you can see, the market push down, pull back. Market is now pushing up. We do not have any sort of entry reason, but I'm still expecting market to hit at least 1725, or maximum we can see the market to hit 50 EMA, from where we can expect a push down. Of course, if we broken above 50 EMA with a very good bullish pressure, then we can expect a market to push up further. Let's check silver. Okay, right here on silver, we have a different situation. Normally, gold and silver goes side by side, but sometimes silver moves really, really slowly and gold move bit faster. And sometimes it's opposite. Now, as you can see, the silver is below this zone and it's in the bearish zone. It's not in the bullish zone. So I'm expecting a very slow movement out of silver. If we are above 50 EMA, in this case, the 50 EMA is 18.99. If we break and close above 50 EMA, then silver will become bullish and it will push up from here. So now if it won't break above 50 EMA, and if we get a good bearish engulfing candle, and that would be the pattern I look to take my sell trade. So at this point, silver, I would stay away from silver unless and until I get a good reason to enter sell or a good reason to enter buy above 50 EMA. And once it break above 50 EMA, we will be above this zone as well to look for buying opportunities. Let's check crude oil. Right here, as per my yesterday's video, we are broken above 50 EMA, pull back, nice bullish engulfing candle. Now, like I said, we have a good bullish engulfing candle. You can either enter at 50% retracement and take your targets at 106.103, or if you enter right here, then your risk to reward ratio will affect. So looking at this good bullish engulfing candle, I'm expecting market to hit at least the target I've just mentioned, and the next zone right here is 108.581, goes up to 112.144, from where I will look for my sell opportunity. So that's all for commodity market, guys. If you have any questions, buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.